In this lesson on retrieving charts in Excel worksheet, we will delve into the essential process of extracting and isolating individual charts from a worksheet that contains multiple charts. As data analysis becomes increasingly complex, the ability to focus on one chart at a time is crucial for drawing accurate insights and making informed decisions. By retrieving charts to a specified range, we enhance the clarity of the data presentation, allowing users to analyze specific trends, patterns, or anomalies without the distraction of other charts. This method not only aids in better comprehension but also serves to streamline reports and presentations, ensuring that the most critical information is highlighted effectively. Throughout this lesson, we will discuss overview step-by-step technique for achieving this in a worksheet, emphasizing the importance of a clear and organized approach to data visualization. I have left out the area or range A4 to N22, where I want the charts from below to be displayed. Please note that I'm using these charts as examples, but you may often work with many charts. I have applied different fill colors to each chart solely for the purpose of this tutorial. Now let's retrieve our first chart. For the Group B chart, we need to enter its title exactly as it appears in cell A1, which serves as our search cell for all the charts. Cell C1 provides instructions on what to input in cell A1. Let's format the merged range from C1 to G1 to distinguish it from our search cell A1. Please do not click Get Chart or Save Chart when A1 is empty. Now, enter the Group B chart title in cell A1. Remember, when entering the chart title in cell A1, you don't need to worry about the case of the letters. The macro will recognize your input regardless of capitalization and display the chart accordingly. When you're finished, click Get Chart, and the chart will be displayed immediately in the specified range. The previous location of the chart will be blank, and to restore the chart to its original position, simply click Close Chart, and it will return to its previous size and location. Now, let's look for another chart, specifically the one for Group E, which is located in the middle of the other charts. Just click Get Chart again, and it will be displayed immediately. After reviewing, click Close Chart once more. Now, this search cell allows various formats, as the macro is programmed to interpret any input type. It automatically recognizes and retrieves the correct chart based on your entry. Let's enter Chart 00B in our search cell, A1. Click Get Chart, and the chart will be displayed in a fixed range. Click Close when you're done. As you can see, our chart was restored to its previous position, along with the others. Now, let's try something new. Click anywhere in the worksheet, then press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to highlight the entire worksheet. Click on Fill Color, and select No Fill to remove the background fill color of the charts. As you can see, charts with no fill color appear like this because the chart font color is also white. Always ensure that your charts have a fill color. Otherwise, when saving to a Word document or PDF, the background will default to white, making it seem like text labels are missing. You can follow these methods to apply fill color to your charts, making them easier for the audience to understand. For this lesson, we'll leave the font color as white, but in the next lesson, we will see how it looks when saved this way. In conclusion, we've explored how to retrieve and manage charts in Excel, highlighting the importance of formatting for clarity. If you want to learn how to create and format these charts, please check out the link included in the description below. To continue your journey into Excel charts and other unique lessons, don't forget to subscribe. This is just the beginning of discovering Excel's powerful features. Also, remember to like, share, and comment. Thank you so much for your support. I truly appreciate it.